Hey, welcome to another Gourmet Fishing Info Short. I'm your host, David Murray, and on today's short, we're going to step back out on the boat and we're going to take a look at our double hook wire trolling rig, and we're going to rig that with a Ballyhoo. But before we can get our Ballyhoo wire trolling rig out to our planetary population, we do have a little bit of business to take care of. So why don't we get started by rolling the open. Offshore trolling bait. Doesn't have to be one of the most versatile baits out there for trolling. The Ballyhoo. Heck yeah, man. Now, how do we rig it? There are a couple of different ways. I'm going to show you my double hook wire rig for those old toothy critters later in the trolling season during the summer. Now, what do we need? Well, first, we need a Ballyhoo. Second off, we need our double hook wire rig. Then we need, what are those? 2 small rubber bands and a piece of copper rigging wire. So let's prep our Ballyhoo. We're going to take our bill and we're just going to pop it off right at the base. Don't need it, gone. Second off, what you want to do is you want to squeeze the insides back to the vent to get all the waste out, I guess we could say. Now we're ready to rig. We're going to take our double hook wire rig. We're going to take our pin that we had. We're going to insert it from the bottom jaw through the upper jaw, just like so. Let's see, just like that. Okay. Now we're going to take our rigging wire and go around that pin and take one side. We're going to go up and over. Okay, now take the other side and do the same, up and over. And as we do that, we're going to spin it back over that pin, just like so. And we'll do that until it's kind of close. I'm going to leave it like this so we can show you. Then at a point, you want to come in and twist that rigging wire and just shove it right up underneath the jaw. Now, what I would do is I would actually come in, take that back. We're going to trim that like so. Now we got little hooks dangling around. And if you notice that double hook, look what that double hook does. It comes all the way back almost to the end of our bait. Now, we're going to take our little small rubber bands and feed it over our Ballyhoo and our first to the second hook, just like so. Then we'll take our second rubber band and do the same thing, just like so. So what that does is that rubber band keeps that hook close to the side of our Ballyhoo. Then, heck, we'll have some type of some type of a attractant on top, and heck, man, we are ready to drop this in the water and catch some dolphin or kingfish. I hope you enjoyed today's little info short. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that little notification bell. If you like the video, give it a little thumbs up, and please leave any comments that you'd like. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Thing about Instagram, our handle has 2 T's in gourmet. One of those things we just had to do. But hey, until next time, God bless, and we'll see you then. Yeah, live TV. Well, live filming, and we're not in the studio. Okay. Okay, ready? Hey, let's take a look at rigging. Let's take